This is the camera of POCO X5 Pro, and today I will find out what is the maximum zoom it provides us with. So without further ado, let's enter the photo mode and zoom until I cannot no more. So as you can see by this digit, or rather number at the top, the farthest I can zoom in is 10-fold. And additionally, or as a bonus, let's see how detailed and sharp the image will look. And if you ask me, it's a pretty decent level of details, even considering the fact that we've shoot this photo in 10x zoom. Alrighty, so that will be it for this video, guys. Thanks for watching, and bye bye.